uko confused on what to do. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are moving. Yay! And we don't know what to do because we have movers. So we're just supervising. Today I'm just excited. So come with me as we move on to a new beginning. Have you subscribed? Subscribe below, comment, share, like, and let's go. Yo, my baby's room. So we were in this house for more than 3 years. This was Amani's room. Oh, well, yeah. But I've learned not getting attached to things. So we are moving. So excited, but I don't know what to do. The movers are doing absolutely almost everything. The only thing we had to do was like, he told us to pick our valuables and ornaments, something that can break. So something like just ornaments and watches and phone and anything valuable. So we already removed and I already took it to the car. So we're about to, I've said the word so many times. Yeah. We are about to finish. They have already packed most of the stuff in the boxes. We are getting rid of some of the stuff that we have not used for a long time. So decluttering. The Kikuyu in me. Anyway, let's continue. I don't think this vlog will be so long because I don't have anything to do. So all right, let's keep going. Yo, that creep behind my back. Kedwani, eh? Hello.
Yes, sir, guys. Yeah. Evacuating. I'm an evacuating.
Are you being even seen with your skin?
I know I'm the light skin in this family. You guys, if you follow her, you see I'm the light skin. Huh? I'm the one who is mirroring her the brownish.
The light.
The light, I'm the one.
Here, this dark guy. Yo.
You see, I'm tall, I'm dark and handsome.
Ay, yo. Apo kwa tall.
Starting now, we're breaking out, but I'm not leaving without you. This could be our one chance. We'll send a postcard when we're through. We'll get there together. We'll get there together. I'll meet you at the starting line. Don't you ever leave my side. We'll get there together. We'll get there together. If it takes all day or night, hand in hand we'll both arrive. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. You wanna see the sunrise, starry nights and endless seas. We're writing our own story. Let's go and make this what it's meant to be. Let's scream it out. Let's go and make this what it's meant to be. We'll get there together. We'll get there together. I'll meet you at the starting line. Don't you ever leave my side. We'll get there together.
So we're going to leave some of the stuff or give them to like second-hand fundi because my baby cot is broken and she's not a baby anymore. We're about to turn 3, so he broke over here. and over here. So this one is staying, but I'm thinking of going with the mattress because we can sunbathe on it on the floor. Yo, we're about to finish. They are taking the things to the truck now. So
standing next to me. Do you feel your heartbeat? Do you feel the warmth?
no more happy birthdays. No more movie night home with our kids. But we'll have new ones at the new house. I'm so excited. Even my baby's bike and she has never ridden on it. We don't have space. And down there is a busy road. Yo, my spinach. It's growing. Oh, this one is sleeping. And my coriander. Done. The house is getting empty and emptier. We are almost. So right now they're taking the boxes to the truck downstairs and finishing up. So let's wait and see. We are about to finish. Yeah, you guys, what? That's the smell of a new beginning and some memories in this house. Oh. Hey!
What is it?
What's wrong?
And play and not sit down.
That
one. Cute.
cute. Ebuka amu uniambie unalia
I
nini?
have even a pocket.
Nemo.
Your stuff are gone.
Beneath your feet, 'cause you're standing next to me. Yeah. 'Cause you're standing next to me. Oh, get there together. We'll get there together. I'll meet you at the starting line. Don't you ever leave my side. We'll get there together. We'll get there together. If it takes all day and night, hand in hand, we'll both run.
As you can see, we are done. We are cleaning up before we head out.
We'll get there together. If it takes all day and night, hand in hand, we'll both arrive. Yeah, hand in hand, we'll both arrive. Hand in hand, we'll both arrive.
It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. Yes. Wait, water. Now we put this trash in the trash bag, Buko, and then we are done. What's wrong? Pee-pee. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So guys, we already done. We packed our book. The house is empty, and now we are heading out. Bye-bye, Kasarani! Bye, Kasarani! Bye! Where are we going?
At our new house.
America! Ati where?
America.
Where? America. We need to start practicing our twanging. What do you say?
Twanging.
Twanging, not twanging, twanging. Okay. Bye you guys. New beginnings to new beginnings. Bye. Bye. Go, 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 go. Ooh. Move, move. Yeah, good. Hello.
Hello.
Now you know how to ride your bicycle.